Hello, dear friends. I'm Agnes. Nice to meet you. Today I brought you an incredibly simple and quick cake recipe. A divine vanilla cream hides a silky strawberry jelly layer, all embraced by a crunchy buttery biscuit crust. Let's see what we need for the base. 240 grams butter biscuits, 90 grams butter zest of half a lime juice of half a lime. Grind the biscuits into fine crumbs, grate in the zest of half a lime and add the juice as well. Feel free to add any flavors you like to this biscuit base, such as a little cinnamon or a pinch of ginger if you're feeling bold. You can even sprinkle in some freeze-dried strawberry pieces. Pour in the melted butter and mix well. By the way, everything is detailed in the description below the video, so you don't need to take notes right now. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. Just leave me a comment in the section under the video. Line a 16-centimeter cake ring with acetate foil. This will ensure smooth sides when you remove the ring and the foil. Pour in 2/3 of the biscuit mixture. We'll use the rest on top later. Spread it evenly in the ring and press it down firmly. Place it in the freezer for about 20 to 25 minutes. For the strawberry jelly, you will need 150 grams strawberry puree, 20 grams granulated sugar, and 3 grams pectin. Heat the strawberry puree over medium heat. Mix the pectin with the sugar. When the puree begins to boil, quickly whisk in the sugar-pectin mix. Boil for about 1 minute. This is when the pectin activates. If you don't have pectin, you can use gelatin instead. For this amount, soak 1 gelatin sheet in ice-cold water, squeeze it out, and add it to the hot fruit puree. If using powdered gelatin, mix 2 grams gelatin with 10 grams water, let it swell for a few minutes, then add it to the hot puree. Pour the hot strawberry layer onto the chilled biscuit base. Return to the freezer while you prepare the vanilla cream. For the vanilla cream, you will need the following: 200 milliliters milk, 100 milliliters heavy cream, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 egg yolks, 60 grams mascarpone, vanilla extract, zest and juice of half a lime. Pour the milk and cream into a saucepan. Add the egg yolks, sugar, and cornstarch and cook until thickened. Write me a comment below the video and let me know if you also enjoy savory treats, and if you'd like me to make something like salty snacks too. Add the mascarpone and mix until smooth. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next delicious treat. Add the vanilla and a pinch of salt as well. Grate in the zest of half a lime and add the juice as well. Spread the cream over the strawberry layer while still warm. Sprinkle the remaining buttery biscuit crumbs on top and gently press them into the cream. I'd love to hear your ideas in the comments. How would you make this cake your own, or add a little twist? Feel free to get creative with the ingredients. Sometimes the best desserts come from a little experimentation. Chill in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight. Decorate with a dusting of powdered sugar and fresh fruit. I love it when a delicious treat comes together so quickly and easily. I hope you enjoy it just as much. Don't be afraid to experiment with the ingredients. Feel free to add your own flavors. Thank you so much for watching, my dear friends. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next delicious dessert. In my upcoming video, I'll be sharing another sweet treat that I'm sure you'll love. So stay tuned. Leave me a comment below and let me know what kind of cakes or desserts you'd like to see next. I always love hearing your ideas. Take care and see you soon in the next video.